Hello students, welcome back to CLE Degree College's YouTube channel. In our previous video, we have discussed the topic called as how to create and display and also alter and delete a single group in Tally. So let us see how to create multiple groups in Tally. So we need to follow a particular steps or a sequence of steps to be carried out to do such things. So I am on the window of Gateway of Tally. Just we need to click on account info. Now we are in account info section. In that groups, just click on groups option. We had create single groups. In that we have seen creating, displaying as well as altering and deleting a particular groups, and also we have discussed regarding how to create subgroup in a parent group. Now the choice is to creating multiple groups. Okay, creating multiple groups in Tally. So it is useful when you wish to create a number of subgroups in a group having some properties as their parent group. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ ಗ್ರೂಪನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ದು ಅದರ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಆವಾಗ. ಸೊ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫಾಲೋ ದ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಅ multiple groups. Just you click on create option, then this is the window when you want to create a multiple groups. You can look at this multi group creation under group. Okay, there is an option called under group. You just need to select the list of groups from which under you want to create subgroups. Okay, I want to create under the sundry creators. So the creators, just I will click on this. Now we are under the group sundry creators and I want to click on the name of the groups. Okay, I have so many creators which are comes under sundry creators. Like for my company, so many creators are there, so I want to add all them in a single group, that is sundry creators. So I have the Bangalore creditors and I will click enter. It will comes under which group? Sundry creditors. And I have one more creditor group like the Mysore creditors and I will click enters, and I have one more Chennai creditors. So the main thing to create multiple groups is if they are having the same properties, I will add them in a single group, so it is very easy to maintain. Okay, creditors and I will click enter. If I am creating only 3 subgroups, 3 groups in a main group, that is sundry creator, just I am typing them and just click enter, and they will provide one window that is accept. Then you have to click on yes. Then we have created 3 groups under one group, that is sundry creator act as a parent group and other groups are act as a subgroups. Okay, now we'll how to display, how to check the existing groups. Just click on display option and you can see the Bangalore creditors, and we can look at each and every groups we have created. So we can look at the Bangalore creditors and also the Mysore creditors, and we have the Chennai creditors. So these are comes under which group? That is sundry creditors. You can look at. Now the next option is how to alter a group. How to alter a group? Just click on alter option. Just you need to click on alter option and which group you want to edit. I have a Bangalore creditors. Okay, just you need to alter the group. Only Bangalore credit. I want to alter this one, so I altered, and again enter. So I have altered. You can see the Bangalore creditors become Bangalore credit. And now I want to delete this group. I want to delete this group. What I have to do? I just need to click on what Alt plus D option and ask delete. Then I need to click yes. Now you can look at here. There is no Bangalore creditor group at all. So this is how to create a multiple groups in Tally. So what we did till now, we have created multiple groups under a single group, and we have displayed the multiple groups, and we have discussed how to alter multiple groups in Tally. And also, if you no more requiring such groups, we need to delete those groups by just clicking Alt plus D option. So students, I hope you understood these things. In our further classes, we'll discuss about how to create a ledgers in Tally. Okay, till now, take care, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.